Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, remote engine start smart device, front heated split bench seats, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.